How to log into your account. After visiting the Go page, select Login. On the Login page, select Forgot Password. Enter your username and select Submit. You will be sent an email to the email address you have provided in your account. Go to your email and then select Reset Password. Please note that this link will expire within 10 minutes. Enter your username. Enter the new password. Re-enter your new password to confirm and select Reset. Your password has been successfully reset. Select Login. Enter your username and password and log in. You will be directed to a new page to update your information. Please note that you have to insert the correct information as mentioned in your government documents. And it is also important to review your profile information. Start filling out the forms. Enter the first name, last name, and email address. Fill out your address, city, and region. Select the country and enter your Instagram handle. Click on Update. You will be sent a one-time password to your email. Open your email and copy the password and paste it. Then select Validate. It is important to notice that anyone who has these security words will be able to access your wallet and transfer all your funds. Therefore, please make sure that you store them in a safe place. After writing it down, select I wrote down the security option. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into your Go account.